What's up everyone, I'm Steve Armato with Lark Media, and if you want tips and tricks on how to create content in the social media world, subscribe to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Inexpensive Marketing Strategies for Small Businesses. And in this episode, we are going to cover TikTok. Yes, TikTok is a hot topic right now. I would drop the renegade on you, but I'm a terrible dancer. You don't even know what that is because you're watching this video. Anyway, it's a dance on TikTok. We're not gonna go there. So TikTok is a hot platform right now for a lot of people. I mean, it started out as something where everybody said, it's just for kids, it's young. I wanna let you in on a little secret. It's not as young as you think. There's a lot of professionals on there. There's a lot of people that are, around my age and a little older. Even there are people that are middle-aged on there that run businesses that are giving away valuable content to people. So number one, I want you to think it's not as young as you think it is. Now, TikTok is another platform where organic reach is absolutely unbelievable at the moment. It's another place where hashtags work, and the way the algorithm works is that it caters to what people like. So if people like the video that you put out, it's going to get pushed to more people. The more they watch it, the more they push it. But this platform, you have to shorten it up. It's got to be a little bit more concise. It's got to be between things that are a minute can get more reach, but if you're between the 7 and 15 second mark, you're golden on there. You get your point, you get in, you get out. The organic reach is unbelievable. The hashtags actually work. Follow the hashtags that are in your niche, your area that you're looking for, the area of business that you're in, and you'll see, you will get growth. The potential on there for you to go viral is enormous. You can get a video, you could have 39 followers, post a video and have 50,000 views, and the growth, which means you can grow really fast. Because you have the potential to go viral really quickly, you have the potential to grow really quickly if you're consistent with it. My recommendation here would be about twice a day and do it consistently. Think about a creative way to do it where you're keeping people's attention, but you're also giving them something that they want. Remember, you're not creating content for you. You're creating content for your customer, for your audience. That's what you need to think about. Seriously, get on TikTok as soon as you can, and I promise you, you are gonna see results very, very fast if you stick with it. You could see results within your first video. I'm telling you, I'm swearing by it. I'm putting my name to it. Get on TikTok today.